Okay, here's a new boat I just started, new model. It's modeled after a 17-foot, 17 foot Garwood custom runabout from about the late 30s, 35 on up to like 39. It was Chris Craft made a version of this too. They called it a custom runabout too, or sport runabout. Same years, 35 up. And anyway, this is the Garwood version with the dark caulk, seam caulking on the decks. Of course, it's Garwood. Now, some of them came with a red bottom, some came with a green bottom. This guy, particular boat, we think came with a red bottom. Has the maroon seats, rear engine hatch, etc. It's a nice model. It really is. This was 18 inches long. I'll turn it on so you can hear it run. Bow light lights up. And the exhaust port was like that on the Garwoods. It was above the waterline. For whatever reason, that's the way he made them. I had to use my style of air scoops. But for the most part, it's pretty faithful. It's a nice boat. I put my dash in it. You know, did the best I could with that. You know, you have to use what you got to use. My windshield and stuff like that. Because it's just too expensive to make these parts, you know, one-offs. Anyway, this is a nice little boat. This is hull number 1 that's going to the customer out in Michigan, or not Michigan, New Hampshire, I think he lives. And anyway, here it is. You know, single motor, couple batteries. I dated it 9/11. And there's the underside of the hatch, all signed and everything. It's all mahogany deck, mahogany hull. I mean, it's a nice boat. Nice wood, nice grain in this wood. And I think he's really going to like it. Made a nice special mahogany stand for it. A little better than the stands I used to make. This holds the boats better. Anyway, there she blows. Thanks for all your kind comments on my boats. You can go to rccraft.com, see the rest of them, or on YouTube under ITO or RC Craft. You see a lot of videos on there for the restorations and the other boats I make. And again, thanks for the kind comments. Have a nice day.